In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create typography art in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn simple words into eye-catching designs using a powerful Canva app called Typecraft. First, open your Canva design or create a new one with any size you like. Once your design is open, look for the Apps option on the left-hand side of the Canva editor. This is where Canva keeps all of its extra tools and integrations. Click on Apps to open that panel. Inside the Apps panel, there's a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word Typecraft. This is the app we'll be using to create our typography art. As you type, Canva will start showing matching apps below. When you see Typecraft appear in the results, click on it. This will open the Typecraft interface, usually in a panel or pop-up inside Canva. Give it a second to load if your internet is a bit slow. Now you'll see a field where you can enter your text. Click where it says something like, type in text here, and add the word or phrase you want to turn into art. This could be a short quote, a single word, or even a name. Keep in mind that shorter text usually looks cleaner and more impactful in this style. Next, look for the warp effect options. These are the controls that let you bend and shape your text into different forms like curves, arches, or waves. Select the warp effect that best matches the style you want. You can usually adjust sliders or settings to fine-tune how strong or subtle the warp is, so feel free to experiment until the shape feels right. After setting the warp, change the font to something that fits your design. Typecraft works best with bold, readable fonts, especially when warping the text. Try a few different fonts and notice how each one changes the overall mood of your typography art. Then, click on the text color option and change the color to white. White text works especially well if you're planning to place it over a darker background, a photo, or a gradient. You can always adjust the background later to make the white text pop. Once you're happy with the text, warp, font, and color, click on Add to Design. This will send your finished Typecraft text straight into your Canva page as an element you can move, resize, or layer with other graphics. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts that Typecraft or Canva might show. These could include confirming permissions, applying updates, or simply closing the app window. After that, you're ready to continue editing your design, positioning your new typography art exactly where you want it.